Many travelers prefer to choose spring or summer season when they travel to Georgia to enjoy outdoors, hiking, water activities, or just autumn to enjoy grape and winemaking season. But today, in this video, I'm going to share 5 reasons why you should choose winter for your travel in Georgia. So make sure to just watch this video. While Georgia celebrates Old New Year as per Orthodox calendar, we have extended celebrations of New Year. So don't get surprised to see New Year's decorations and festive atmosphere in January here. At this time of the year, you can discover special winter menus by local restaurants and unique seasonal dishes like satsivi, gozinaki that are directly typical for New Year's time and winter season in Georgia. Tbilisi is famous with its natural underground hot springs that are visit card of the city. The best season to book your experience and try this unique traditional sulfur bath culture on yourself is winter. So what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed the channel yet, make sure to do it now. The prices on accommodation after New Year becomes more budget-friendly and affordable. Also, the travel destinations are not so crowded compared to other seasons. Keep in mind that the weather in Tbilisi is not so harsh and severe that distracts you from travel. Georgia is famous with its ski resorts. We have several ski resorts that are different from their type, infrastructure, and distance from Tbilisi. The most visitable among short-time visitors is Gudauri ski resort that offers numerous types of snow activities to enjoy your winter adventure here. Well, I hope you find this video helpful for your upcoming trip to Georgia in winter. Make sure to subscribe the channel to stay updated with other videos and see you in next episode. Bye!